Ivy Tech campuses around the state are collaborating with the IU School of Medicine and 3D printer manufacturer STATASYS to produce face shields. Ivy Tech Design Technology Chair Josh Nelson.
We started working with initially files that were from Stratasys and started printing those, and initially just started tinkering around to see how things would print and how they would look when we did that.
Nelson says his team went to work right away to get everyone on the same page.
This file was the initial one from Stratasys. It had a logo on it, and it has this brim right here. And so when we bring the file in, we start looking at it and figuring out how to optimize it for each of the printers. Each of our campuses has different equipment, so although the part that we're producing in the end might be the same, the actual file that goes to the printer is different.
Once the specs were dialed in, production began and hasn't stopped.
We've basically been running 24/7, all the machines all the time, to just make as many as we can.
At first, the printers could only produce about 6 mask parts every 12 hours.
As we went through and optimized the files, we were able to get it, for the machines in this room anyways, down to about 45 minutes per part. So we can print about 14 in 12 hours, which is a significant improvement.
Ivy Tech campuses have produced about 7,500 face shields so far, but as production ramped up, so did the request for face shields.
As we started working, the demand from local hospitals and fire departments and others became higher and higher, and so we brought more people into the project.
Nelson says commercial manufacturers have started making more face shields available.
As they're coming online, we're starting to take kind of a back roll, but if there are local needs, we'll still fill those. Right now, it looks we're going to be doing this for at least another 2.5 or 3 weeks.
For Star City News, Dave North in Lafayette.